Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this 90s inspired makeup look. So if you would like to see how I created this makeup look, then just keep on watching. So I'm first taking this shade here from the MORPHE 35F eyeshadow palette and applying that as my transition shade in the crease. Then dipping straight into that black shadow, and it's just going to create some depth to the eye. Picking up that first shade again and blending it back in with that black. Then using the dark black again and building up the colour in the crease. This is the best way to use these shadows, as you will always have a smooth blend and you can control how much density you want in that crease. I then take more dark shadow to the outer corner just to create the smoky eye effect. Then blending it back out with that transition shade. So you can start to see it take shape here. I then take this gorgeous shimmer shadow and apply it to the eyelid space. This was perfect for this look as it does look quite grungy and it's so good for like a 90s smoky eye. I then take a wipe and use that to take away any fallout of shadow underneath and also to neaten up that outer edge. Next, using the NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Liner just to create that wing, I take that first across the lash line and then drag it up towards the brow and then connect it back to that first part that we applied. I then dip back into that dark shadow and apply it on top of the liner that we just applied. Then back in again with that first shade to blend it back out. Just making sure that everything is nice and smooth. I then added some lashes from Unicorn Cosmetics in the shape Not Basic. These were perfect for this look as you can see them over the top of the winged liner. Next, going in with a kohl eyeliner pencil and applying it to my waterline. I also drag the liner underneath the lash line just to act as a base for the shadow to stick to. I then take the black shadow and apply it on top, almost smudging it underneath that lash line. Then I used a MAC mascara and used it on the bottom lashes, and this is perfect for creating those nice thick lashes. After that, I used this shade to highlight the brow bone and inner corner. I find that this was like really nice looking for a 90s look as they did have quite bold highlights. I next used the Doll Beauty Like a Diamond highlighter and used that on the tops of my cheekbones, which is super glossy looking, but it didn't take too much away from the eyes. Next, onto lips, I use the Cappuccino lip liner from Collection Cosmetics, and this is great as a dark nude lip liner as that's a must for a 90s inspired look. For lipstick, I used the MAC Cosmetics Velvet Teddy lipstick. And then applied the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, which is my absolute favourite at the moment as it's super glossy and looks amazing with every look. So you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos that you would like to see from me in the next coming weeks. And also remember to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.